DecoNetwork makes it easy to create a sales goal that you can display on the front end of the website, which allows your customers to know where you're at and if we're going to hit our goal. So simply come into Edit Website, Website Pages, and if you're using our default website theme, you're going to see that we already have this in here. But let's act like we didn't. What we can do is come into Widgets. At the very bottom, we're going to find Sales Goal. We'll drop it onto the page. We can give it a panel title, Sales Goal. We can choose if the goal is going to revolve around the number of orders, how much earnings that there is, or the total amount of revenue. So in this case, let's do store earnings. Let's set the goal amount to be, hey, we're trying to do $1,000. And really, we're trying to do it by the end of the week. Help us reach our goal. We could control the progress bar color scheme, the background of it, and then the text on the bottom and the top. It's really that easy. Grab the widget, drag it onto the page, choose what type of goal you're going to be trying to hit, whether it be revenue, earnings, or the amount of orders, and let your customers see if we're close to reaching the goal or if we need their help to kick us into gear and reach it at that point.